What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today is the day Apple is going to announce all of their new products for the year in terms of their mobile side. Well, I guess they have other dates they announced their tablets, but today they'll be announcing new watch, they'll be announcing the new phones. So I'm not going to talk about any of that. I'm actually recording this before they even get into that, so if you want to watch that, watch another channel. Otherwise, let's just dive into the tech news. First story of the day has to do with the Galaxy Watch 5 and 5 Pro. A new update was pushed out yesterday. I actually got it, and I forgot to talk about it. So it is about 103 megs, and what it does is it improves GPS, stability, reliability, all that kind of stuff, and you can download it right now. You should be able to just go in through your watch. You might have a notification for it, or go into the app, that Galaxy wearable app, go into watch settings and then updates, and you can install it that way as well. But it is going on right now. Grab it if you haven't already, and you should be all good with that one. Last story of the day has to do with the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and what specifically about it? Well, it's the trade-ins, and if you know and you traded in a device to Samsung, you might have run into this where you trade in your device and they reject it for whatever reason. Maybe you didn't reset it, it has some kind of thing wrong with it that you said it was not wrong with it, whatever, they're just not fully accepting it, or they're not accepting it at all. So you don't get that full trade-in value or any trade-in value at all. What do you have as backup? What can you do to rectify that issue? If you know for sure that you've run into this issue and you know it's not an issue because you dealt with it and you know it's perfect, or you did reset it, what are your options? Well, it looks like somebody on Reddit has run into this issue. I see this quite a bit, but basically the gist of the story says that he received an email stating that the trade-in device had been rejected due to the device not being reset. So he said he did his homework before that, meaning that he recorded the video of every step of this process, showing the date and time, the IMEI, the phone condition, working display, showing the reset screen. He made a video, took photos of all of that stuff, and what he did is he went on to Samsung's website and chatted with them, or called them. He doesn't really specifically say, at least from what I can see here. And the Samsung agent asked him if he specifically reset the device before sending, and he said yes, and I have video proof. And he said they quickly approved the trade-in, and he just wanted to create this post to tell people, you basically don't freak out, but before you send it in, take pictures, take video, take all of that, every step of the way, so that if you do run into this problem, you have video and photo backup showing that you boxed it up and you reset it, and then it's in perfect condition, and that you dropped it off to the FedEx location or UPS location, however it's getting sent out. So I personally didn't do it, but it is something I'm probably going to do in the future, just in case I've run into this issue. I know Samsung has my device right now, at least mine. They probably have my wife's yet, but I haven't gotten an email. But I got an email yesterday saying that they received mine, and I'm hoping that they're gonna approve mine, because I unfortunately didn't take photos and videos of it, but I know I reset it and I know it's in good condition or perfect condition from there. Same thing with my wife's phone. So it is something to know that if you do have an issue with your trade-in with Samsung, definitely go and call or chat with Samsung online and explain your situation and see if they can reverse that issue of you not getting the full or all the trade-in value. Thanks for watching. Your question of the day is, have you ever run into an issue with your trade-in with Samsung, and what did you do to rectify it, if anything? Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.